This is part 3 in a series of videos about felling and processing a white ash tree using only hand tools. The first 2 parts cover the felling, and this part is going to be riving some of the logs that I got into lumber for axe handles and paddles, and the next video is going to be using an axe to cut cordwood.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
A little easier. All right. Now we're going to make the froe useful for sure. Take the corners off. Set this to the side. Okay. Take a little bit off here to make it even. All right, 1 billet, 3 more to go. Maybe do those off camera. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay. You ready to go in? He's ready to go. Okay. All right, so there's an emerald ash borer. I think this is a larva that's not mature yet because it's not very fat, but it does show the why they're called flat-headed borers, although it's the thorax, it's the flat part there. But yeah, there it is. There's its gallery. There's some more boring. Definitely not as extensive as I typically see in the green ash that gets killed by the borers. But yeah, they do a lot of damage still, and this tree didn't make it.
This is the largest section of the trunk, and what I'm trying to do here is split off slabs from the side to make paddles of it.
Okay, so here's what I've got from that last log, the big butt end log. Is I've got, what I was mainly interested in trying to do was to take slabs off the side. It was pretty tricky. I think it's easier if you split the log in half and then split each half into slabs. But I wanted to get some handle wood out of it too, so I wanted to see how hard it was going to be to split a slab off. It's trickier because whenever you're trying to split things that aren't equal, there's not an equal amount of wood on each side that you're trying to split, then the smaller one tends to split out. So I was able to chase the splits all right, at least good enough that I would get something usable. So what I want to make out of these is paddles. I don't really know how to do that yet. I mean, I have a plan. I don't know if it's going to work, but I think that I can make a nice paddle out of these. So someday I'll give that a shot. And then I've got really nice long pieces, so I can do whatever out of this. I can make 2 axe handles out of it, cut it in half. I've got a friend who wanted me to put a new handle on his pick, and this is definitely fat enough and long enough. I can make a pick handle out of it. So total for this, depending on what I do with it, I've got enough wood to make 2 paddles, 6 axe handles out of that base log. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, and hopefully I get a chance to do some projects with this wood. All right, setting these out to dry in the barn. And yeah, I've got quite a few billets. I think maybe 16, including a couple, more than 16 actually. Well, whatever I've got anyway, it's a lot, including a couple of really long ones. And 2 slabs I can make paddles out of. So yeah, pretty good haul out of this tree, plus a bunch of firewood. Not bad.